Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I of course went shopping again. I love to go shopping for fabric and craft items. So I went to my local Dollar Tree store. I also went to Walmart and also Joann Fabrics and Crafts in St. George, Utah. I thought these were really cute. These are little hearts and they've got a little loop where you can hang them. There's 2 to a package. I also bought some pink ones and I've already used them on some projects. I'm using these on a Valentine wreath or heart-shaped wreath. These are so cute. I just loved them. I had to get them in both colors. So these I also got at Dollar Tree, and they are garland. It's with a Valentine theme. And I bought 1 of each of these, and I bought 2 of these. And this is like little fringe. I thought this was really cool. Don't know what I'm going to use them on, but I know I'll use them up. Now, I didn't buy these, but my husband was in Walmart, and I don't know where he was at in the store, but he saw these and they were $1 a piece. I think they were in the seasonal section where they had all the Valentine decorations. And he knew that I used these, so he decided to pick up 4 of them for me. These are cookie cutters that I got from Joann Fabrics and Crafts, and they were on clearance. This is a little angel. This is a cat. And this is a dog. I like to use these not to make cookies, but I trace around them to make applique patterns on various projects like pot holders and other items for the kitchen. Joann Fabrics and Crafts was having a big sale on a lot of their fabric. This is not their keepsake quilting fabric. They have another line of fabric that's less expensive, and I buy it quite often because it is so affordable. Their keepsake quilting fabric was on sale for $6.99, which is a good price, but this was on sale for $3.99, so I thought it was a better bargain. These 3 pieces right here, I bought a ½ yard of each, and this one I liked so much that I bought a yard. This is a fat quarter pack, and there's actually 5 different fat quarters in it, and I love buying these because it's already coordinated for you. It takes the thinking out of it. So I was thinking of making a small lap quilt using these. I mostly went into Joann's to look for some fabric for clothing, and everything was pretty pricey. The clothing fabric, there really wasn't a good sale on it, but I did find this in the clearance section, and it is a stretch knit. Now, it only stretches this way. It does not stretch this way. That means it's a 2-way stretch. It stretches this way and over here. If it was a 4-way stretch, it would also stretch going in this direction. So when you're buying clothing fabric and you want it to stretch, you have to realize that you want the stretch to go on your body side to side, not up and down, because this is where you need the stretch, so it's easy to get the clothing item on. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping experience as much as I did. Like I said, I love to go shopping, but where I live, there's not a lot of stores to go shopping. So when I go to the bigger cities, I spend at least half the day there running around to different stores. I have such a great time. Now, if you're interested in beginners sewing projects, I have a lot of them. I also have a lot of tips of the week, which are probably one of my most popular videos. A tip of the week comes out once a week on Wednesdays. So make sure you subscribe so you get all of that information on a weekly basis. When you're down there checking out my other tutorials, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.